Hello friends, welcome to the Urban Homesteading channel from North Carolina. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. And we're inviting you to look at our over 400 videos as we are confident you will find something enjoyable and entertaining. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Even though we had a lot of furniture in our old house in Kansas, downsizing into an apartment meant that we had to pare down our furniture a lot, and also some of our furniture simply didn't fit in our new place. So we went out to let go, and we found a good deal in two chairs and a round table that can fold in both sides, and we purchased it, and you can see it here behind me. And we think it's a great addition to our space. Unfortunately, however, as nice as it looks, it has a little bit of problem, and that is that when you're on top of it and you try to eat, the table tends to move a lot. It has a very big wobble, as we'll try to demonstrate to you here. And that is something that we are going to attempt to fix today. So stick around and we're going to work together to show you how we're going to attempt to fix this problem. And we really like this, but what we don't like is this. Is it visible?
Yeah.
So today we're going to, I don't know what causes this, I have not looked at it yet, but today we're going to look at it together and hopefully fix it together. And in the process I will show you how you can take a used piece of furniture and make it more steady or make it more feel like a brand new piece of furniture. At least that's the plan. Hopefully we're going to succeed, right?
Yeah.
The only tools we have with us are the tools that we brought with us, and if you remember, we show you how to do that toolbox, and I'm going to put a link up here of that video. Sorry. So let's get started and see what we're going to find and how we're going to fix it. All right, friends, and here we are. We put the table with the upside down, and we can easily see that the legs are very wobbly, but also we can see, if you go here, that the legs are just attached with screws. So this is going to be a very simple fix. All we have to do is really tighten all those screws. So I will start by hand, and you can see even by hand these are very, very loose. I wish I had my power tools, but I don't. Look how much steady there it is now. Alright, now this will be a little harder because it is down here. And look at it, it's totally steady now. Alright, we're going to repeat that in all four corners, and we're going to get back to you to inspect if there is any other issues with the table. But right now that's all that it looks to be. Since we're already here, it makes good sense for us to look for any other problems that might exist in this table. And I'm going to grab all the supports and give them a good shake and see if they move. And in this case, everything seems solid. So it looks like the only problem we had with this table was just the legs not being tightened. It makes sense to do this now so you don't have to put the table right up and then see that indeed something else is wrong with it and you have to repeat this process. So do things once, check everything, and if everything looks good, then you're good to go. The hinges look good. and the wood quality looks great. We see absolutely no damage or any problems at the bottom. So now that we are comfortable, the only thing that I would have done different is to put thread locks on the threads. Unfortunately, I don't have any thread lock, so we did not do that. But I think that this table will stay steady for some time to come. And if it comes loose, then I will repeat this process and add thread lock, so we will not have to do it again. However, this repair is considered now to be a complete repair and the table is very steady. The table is back in its original position, and as you can see, it is absolutely steady. So our repair in this specific case was a very good success. We're very pleased with the outcome, and I think this table will serve us well for a long time to come. A lot of times people will get rid of furniture because they have little problems like that. So look at used furniture or garage sale, look underneath and see if the table is wobbly. There is a good chance that this is a problem. This is a very common way to attach tables, legs to tables, and that includes farm style tables that are very long rectangular tables. So very often people get rid of them because they don't realize how simple they are to fix, and that can mean a great opportunity for you to find a great deal in a very good quality table like this one, which is solid wood. I hope you enjoyed this short episode, and we appreciate your support during this transition, and we are actually working towards getting back to our more traditional videos. We ask that if you did enjoy this video, we actually give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Keep in mind that the small kitten dies every time you press it. And we also ask you to share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you would like to see in the channel in the future as we're returning in our normal format. We have some plans to show you what equipment you need to do garage woodworking. I'm sorry, no, not garage woodworking, woodworking in a small apartment like ours. So in the next few episodes, we're going to talk about the tools and what we're going to create here so we can do projects without having a garage and without having either a big space or a lot of tools. So stick around, I think that will be very exciting, and I hope everyone will enjoy that. So we appreciate your support, and we thank you for remaining with us during this journey and this transition period. From the Garage Wizard, with a Garageless Wizard and Mrs. Wizard, we want to wish you a great week, and we're going to see you midweek and on the weekend. I hope you have a great week, and friends, farewell. We'll see you soon.